Verde for West Africa. Then you take a right and you follow the setting sun until hitting Central America, through the Panama Canal. And this route extends over 3/4 of the world, crossing the Atlantic, Caribbean, Canal, and finally the Pacific Ocean.
Ryan and I worked together for a decade before Arka Kinari. And in that time, we had every kind of problem with immigration and borders. But I think we discovered that political forces are horror and impossible to enforce. In fact, the only real frontier on this planet is that between land and water.